Hey, what's up everybody, welcome to Python programming for beginners video. In this video I'm going to show you exactly what are variables in Python programming and also what are different kinds of variables on Python on programming language as a whole, and then how to create variables. Before that, why you should learn Python. Okay, the first reason to learn Python is Python is simple. That means it is the most easiest high-level programming language to learn, and also it's a very good programming language if you are interested in learning to code. Okay, as you know, the most popular websites are built using Python programming language. For example, YouTube, Google, Quora, Instagram, Pinterest, and much more are built using Python. So, from this, you should understand how Python is powerful. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the basics of Python, which is variables. How to create variables using Python. What are different types of variables? Well, if this sound is interesting, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon in order to be notified while I come out a daily video just like this one. With that being said, let's get started. Well, okay, what is variables in programming language? As the name indicates that variables are something that can be changed. In programming language, variables are a memory location that are used by a computer program in order to store different types of data. For example, variables are a bucket or a basket that used to store different things such as a orange. So you should look variables as a basket that used to store different types of data. The best part of variables is it can be accessed and it can be changed in any way. Okay, what are different types of variables in Python? In Python, there are different types of variables or data types, such as string, integer, float, list, dictionary, and tuples. Variables can be assigned by using a special operator called equal sign. So, how to write string variables? In this case, in Python programming, string variables can be written by a quotation mark, just like this one. For example, this is a string variable, hello my YouTube subscribers. Integer variables is a number. It can be written in Python in this way. And float variables are variables. It is a number but written by a decimal number. Float variables are variables that can be used to store numbers in a decimal point. List variables are variables that can be listed different types of data type or the same data type. Okay, I will show you how Python identify this kind of variables and how we'll identify whether a given variable is a string variable, integer or float, or a list variable, dictionaries or tuples. Okay, let's jump into how to identify whether a given variable is either integer, float, dictionaries, or anything else on Python. Okay, as I said before, variables can be assigned using a special operator called equal sign. Okay, let me assign a given variable by using a special operator called equal sign. A equals to B, enter B equals to 10, C equals to 10.0, and E, the last one is F. So, how we identify whether a given variable is either float or integer or dictionary. In Python, we can identify whether a given variable is either float, integer, or dictionary by using a special built-in function called type. Before that, let me print a and then enter hello my YouTube subscribers. So what is the data types of the variable a? It is possible to know whether this variable is either string or not by using a special built-in function called type A, then enter. So the class of A is string. As you see here, the data type stored in A is string. What are the data types stored in D? So print D and then enter. Okay, type D. Okay, the class or the data type stored in D is list. You can know other variables in this way. Okay, for example, if you interested to know what are the data types of f, print f and then enter type f. Okay, that's cool. It is tuple. Print e and then enter type e. It is a dictionary. Okay, so it is possible to know whether a data type is either integer or float or dictionary tuples in Python by using a special built-in function called type. This is all about today's video. In this video we have discussed about what is variables in programming language, how to create variables using Python, and also what are different types of variables or data types in Python programming, and then how to create variables and also how to identify whether a given variable is either float, integer, dictionary, or list by using a special built-in function called type. Let me give you an assignment. What are the data type or the variable assigned by using the leg? Hello my beloved people, welcome to my channel. Then, what types of variable is assigned by the capital letter A? Please put your answer on the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye for now.